Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today I am simply taking the Sur Ron out for a little ride with my new chin mount. Alright guys, hopefully this turns out decent. Like I say, this is my first time trying out the chin mount here. I will say though, I did try out the chin mount on my road helmet with the Ninja 400. If you didn't know, I bought a 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 400. But yeah, that didn't go very well. It didn't turn out very good. Anyways, we will see how the sound quality is as well. I mean, you are right in front of my mouth, so maybe it'll be decent, but maybe that wind noise will screw it up. And if you didn't know, that is literally the name of the company that makes the chin mounts. Chin mounts. Look them up. Dude. I don't know if it's just me or I should really might need to, oh yeah, front tire feels awfully soft. That's probably why it's feeling like it's going all over the place. I'm gonna need a new rear tire soon too. Yeah, I should really check the air pressure in these tires after this ride, but you know, some days I want to go to spots where I can just, whoops, bro, where I can just wide open throttle it and ride it fast, and then other times where I want to mess around like this. There's a couple things I love about these Sur Rons. Take it wherever, whenever, honestly, with how quiet they are. Woo. It's a little rough through here still. Now, I haven't posted a video yet because I still have to try out Sur Ronster's cleaning products. But I got some of those cleaning products to enter in the Sur Ron. Well, at that point it was just, he was giving away that 72 volt Sur Ron, but he has also added the new Talaria Sting R into that. But yeah, brother, I'm just gonna move this. I got time. But anyways, he's added that. That giveaway actually ends tomorrow as of this recording. So mainly bought the stuff to enter in that giveaway, but it's always good to try out some cleaning stuff too. But yeah, I took the bike out here on one of the first nice days this year, and needless to say, here in northern Michigan it was nice outside, 60 degrees out, but in all these woods it was just covered in snow still. And now I'm getting a phone call. anyways, guys, so yeah, the whoops, gotta turn the bike back on. The bike is all muddy from riding through the snow through here. The video of it was horrible, but I will make sure when I make the little video of trying out Sur Ron's cleaning stuff, I will include a little clip of that, of course. But yeah, I'm hoping that this chin mount works better. Ooh! Ooh! You know why that's funny? Because it didn't hurt. Oh my god. I can't get a freaking break here. Well, guys, this seems like the perfect time to let you guys know about my Patreon. I literally, as of the recording of this, just launched it a few days ago. I'll try to put a little clip in here of it, but it literally starts out at $1 a month, and that'll just get you with your name at the end of my videos. And it goes up to $20. There's a couple tiers in between there, but up to $20, and that $20 one gets you a bunch of things, as well as a monthly giveaway that I'll be doing. I'm going to start that out with some merch from my brand, Redline Therapy, and as this thing grows, I'll expand it out and get different things to do the giveaway with. But yeah, just figured I would let you guys know, and I will also have a link down in the description, so go ahead and check that out. Well, that was fun. I can honestly say that was the first time I've ever done that. And I don't know if you'll be able to tell by the way that I was talking when that happened or not, but I was initially thinking I wouldn't put that in the video, but might as well be real with you guys. I was feeling a little too confident there. Probably will not be the last time either. Whew. That being said, though, I might just hop out right here. Just because I didn't want to make this video super long. And that puts us right back out at the road here. I'm gonna head this way just to kind of head back towards home. Might hop out on something else real quick too. But boy, do I really need some air in these tires. I can just feel it. The whole bike feels like it's shifting around. Okay, so here's where we came in at. Brother, that was me trying to abruptly stop, but I somehow didn't even know that there was a little trail spot right here. A couple tight turns. I'm not feeling quite as confident now after that. Oh. buddy. Really? I thought that that was gonna just pop out right at that little road right there. Like I say, I've never been through this little section before. I will say I believe I've been down this yeah, so if I go right here, it'll take me, right? I'm a little bit confused now, but no trespassing. Yep. All right. Just heading back now. I just really need some air in these tires. Probably should not be going fast with them the way that they are. Oh my. Hello, beast. How are you doing, young man? Just a second, bud. Alright, guys, so that is gonna wrap the video up right there. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below if you have any comments or questions. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.